Okay, right. So here we are. The videos. I don't know whether you remember in the first video we had a problem. That wheel was not turning. So in today's video, I'm going to strip all the tire out, the wheel, look at the drum, and see if I can get it going. So we can then look at the brakes and sort the braking system out. You can see that the car is in a bad state again. I don't know whether we're going to get time today to see if we can start the engine, look at the engine itself, turn the engine over, check the spark plugs, check that is ignition on it. We need a new battery. You can see the battery. It's not the best anymore. It's probably 15-year-old. General wear and tear everywhere. I think the last thing to do is the bodywork. Many years ago, I did have the roof flying back and forth. Obviously, it needs a roof as well. It's a Hessian backed roof, so that needs doing before we look at the bodywork. At the moment, I can't open the boot, so that's another area. But it is what it is. So, let's say the first video is going to be the other wheel over there. I will drop the last video around now, so you can see the problem as we dragged it in. So right, I'm going to try and get all the wheels going, look at the braking system, but I can't really try it today because of the service system won't be working because the engine's not running. But I'm going to free it up anyway. So here we go. Right, okay. Hopefully that's all the tools I need to do the job. A nice jack, my impact wrench, a few hammers, a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, some penetrant there, which I can't tell you the name of, but it's well known. And last but not least, for my knees. Sorry about the noise, but I do share a unit with somebody else. So there you go. Right, okay, let's get the car up. Well, first we need to take the plastic off. However, a nice trusty screwdriver. Take that off as well. It looks to be an oversized nut. Doesn't look to be a special anti-theft nut. Right, okay, I'll get a big spanner. It's a lot easier than a hand pump, this. This is only to allow the jack to get under it. Makes it a bit easier. On the positive side, the nuts look loose. I think the wheel moves slightly, so it could be just seized to the hub. The brakes, the internal brakes, the shoes could be just sealed to the hub, which could be a bit of a pain because you know, it's that's when it gets a bit bangy. So there we go. See now? Yep, we're happy now. I'm just going to turn that off now. 1 second. We don't like that noise. Nice and quiet. So there you go. Pump it up slowly. There you go. If anybody here doesn't know, this is called a trolley jack. It works like that. That's high enough. Right. See what we can do. And do the special nut. There we go. That's the wheel off. You can see 5 years of being stood there on the yard, and it's seized. Very much so. So, you need to get it off. Well, okay, that's a close-up because I've just gone back to the video and some of it's not the best review. It's quite dark. So there's the bearing that came off the inside of the hub. Sorry, the outside of the hub there. Popped out of there, which holds on to the spline there. So obviously as it turns around, the wheel turns. These are the shoes. There. They're the pistons that activate by coming out both ways to turn the shoes out. The pivot's down here, and the springs obviously then just hold it all together, so it stays aligned. You do have locating pins here, so the pins need to be located onto the shoes, and this is self-adjustment. Whether they work, somebody in the office one day had a great idea that they're on most cars of this age. So there we go, that's where we are now. Again, it's all off. I'm just going to rebuild this. And that's one side of it free. I've had a good look at it now. I know what works to be done on it. You can see The inside of the car, it needs total work. I don't know if the shocks are any good. It doesn't look rusty though. Just looks like an old car that's been stuck at the yard for many a year. So right, let's take those shoes off and get the wheel put back on. Right, let's get it off if we can. This will be interesting. Right. Generally just rip off, but I don't know. It's been a few years since I've done one of these. Let's take that bearing and grooving on it now, yes. Whoops, one off. Just line up the, there you go. He's loose now. Springs off. It could be very tight. Just hang up by that. And there we go. Like so. There you go, it's a lot better. Put the bearing back in. Put the nuts on. Remember that it's a left-hand nut this side now. Does help. Silly Billy. Oh, look at that. There she blows. In fact, I'll just check and show you now. You remember the video at the start where it was seized? It's giving a bit of a sound. I don't know what that is. It could be the bearing, but bear in mind nothing's loose. This is going to have to be redone. So there you go. I'm just going to nip that up a little bit. Okay. Nip that up. Okay, and I'll give that center a little nip as well. On 30mm. And next time I won't forget about the left-hand thread. But I should have done that before I put the wheel on, but there you go. There you go. Right, everything else is going to keep like that. Now I'm going to go around all the wheels slowly and do each one at a time. And then I can survey the braking system really before I put the battery on, start it up, hopefully run it through, check the oils, check the levels, and get it mechanically sound before you look at the bodywork. So there you go. Right, same again. Jack under, tighten up the hydraulic. Okay, pump it up. There you go. Oh, I can feel the brake rubbing. It obviously needs new brakes all around. I think I'll just see if I can pop it off and just have a look. There you go. Oh, look at that. Now these are called disc shoes. Basically, you have a disc here running around, which is in a bad state, very bad state. And in here you have the brake pads. When you compress the oil in the car, in the pipe here, it then the cylinder behind here pushes the pads together and clamps onto here. Hence the disc. This spins round and round with the wheel, and as you clamp more, this slowly slows down, and that's how you stop. Clever idea. But you can see this one is in a very bad state. Again, the inside of the car, again, I can't see any rust, so I can see a lot of work, but I can't see any rust. But it's spinning. I think what I'm going to have to do is do each one individually after I start the car, check the fluids, check everything is working with it, and then slowly do all the body work underneath. You can see there's been a few things growing on it, and I don't know whether we've had mice in here, rats or what, but you can see at least it's turning. That means the main stub shafts in there are pretty much okay at the moment. So I'm just going to bang that back on for the time being. Right, number 3. we go. Right, here we go, number 4. First, the comfort cushion. Right, again, take the center off with a nice screwdriver if you can. Just prise him back, okay? Knock him off if you can. Whoops. Ooh, that moved. That's sweet. Right, again. Make sure the hydraulic's up. Put it in the jacking point. Jack it up. Be interesting, the bodywork. Right, we're going to take the wheel off now. Wow, Cobweb City. It turns, but I can sense that the shoes are gone, and they're going to be replaced anyway. I'm going to have these shiny. I'm going to buff them right up anyway, clean all the shoes. I probably will strip it down off the shocks. It needs it. Probably needs new shocks as well. Like I say, I don't know how old these are, but if I'm with a car, once you get into it, it becomes an obsession and a passion. So there you go. But it is to it, so I'm quite happy with that today. The nail in the tyre probably is the reason why it don't stay up. There you go. Let's put that in now. There you go. 1, 2, 3. And the 4th, if we can get it started. Yep, he's in. If you ever do change a tyre, as a tip, these need to be just nipped up, opposite corners, then you tighten them down, opposite corners, then you torque them up, opposite corners. So the wheel sits pretty square with the hub. And look, it's turning. So hopefully I've done the objective today, which is make the car move again on its own wheels. Right, I'm just going to check the car rolls. Job done, happy days. It's my objective, all done. Right, and here we go, the moment of truth. Does she move? Oh, look at that. Oh, no problem at all. Put that video back on now and you can see that wheel. I'm glad there's nothing serious really, but again it's just a mechanical thing and it can be resolved. And I'll show you how. Right, on the next video I'm going to try and get it going. Let's get it going. We'll look at the engine, change all the battery system, check you've got ignition, check things are working, test things, check that there's compression, check there's a spark, and check the fuel, and we'll try and get it fired up. If we get it fired up, it's pretty good. Bodywork's are not an issue. So thumbs up, thank you, see you again.